Think solars are only for environmentalists or people with money to burn? Think again. The biggest reason solar installations have exploded across the country isn't because people suddenly became tree huggers. It's because homeowners discovered something powerful. Once a solar system pays for itself, you're producing electricity at little to no cost for years afterwards. And the real question isn't whether solar works. The question is how fast it pays for itself. What affects that timeline, though, and whether it's worth the investment where you live. And if you're considering solar, the video will break down exactly how the math works and what most salespeople leave out, and how to estimate your own payback period without needing an engineering degree. Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight and reduce or even eliminate the amount of power you buy from your utility company. And every dollar you don't pay the utility becomes money saved. And those savings, they accumulate month after month until they equal the amount you spend installing the system. And once your savings equals your installation costs, the system has paid for itself. And everything after that is essentially profit in the form of lower electrical bills. Let's use a simple example. Suppose you install a solar system costing $20,000 after incentives and rebates, and if that system saves you $2,500 per year on electricity, the payback period is about 8 years. And after 8 years, you've recovered your investment. If those panels continue producing for another 17 years, which is very realistic, you're benefiting from years of reduced utility costs. Most modern solar panels are designed to last at least 25 to 30 years and often continue producing electricity well beyond that time frame even. One of the biggest factors affecting solar payback is your electrical bill. The higher your utility costs, the faster your solar usually pays for itself. A homeowner spending $300 per month on electricity may recover their investment much faster than someone spending only $80 per month. Every kilowatt hour your panel generates offset electricity you would otherwise purchase. And if electricity rates in your area are expensive, those savings they add up quickly. Location also matters. States and regions receive more sunlight, generally allowing, solar systems to generate more electricity throughout the year. A solar array in Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico, or Southern California may produce significantly more power than the same system installed in a cloudy northern climate. And that doesn't mean solar won't work in less sunny areas. It simply means the payback period may be somewhat longer because annual production is lower. Another major factor is system costs. Prices have dropped dramatically over the past decade. Years ago, solar systems often cost homeowners well over $30,000. But today, many residential systems are substantially less expensive, especially after their incentives. Lower installation costs naturally shorten the paycheck and and payback period because there's less money to recover through the savings. Incentives can make a huge difference, but federal tax credits have been one of the most primary reasons solar adoption has been accelerated. These credits reduce the effective cost of installation, allowing the homeowners to recover their investment faster. And in some states, local governments and utility providers, also offer additional rebates and incentives that further reduce the upfront cost. Even dollars taken off the installation price improves the return on your investment. Net metering is another concept homeowners need to understand too. When your solar system produces more electricity than your home uses during the day, that excess energy, may be sent back to the grid, depending on your local policies. Your utilities, may provide credits for that power, and these credits help offset electricity consumed at night or during periods of lower solar production. Areas with strong net metering programs often have faster solar payback periods because homeowners receive greater value from the electricity their systems generate. Roof orientation can influence performance as well. South facing roofs generally receive the most sunlight throughout the day in the United States, making them ideal for solar production. East and west facing roofs are still work effectively, although production may be slightly reduced. Heavy shading from trees, nearby buildings, or other obstructions can significantly impact the output and extend the payback period. So, before installation, reputable solar companies typically perform an analysis showing estimated annual production based on your roof and location. Energy consumption habits also affect results too. Households that use a large amount of electricity, often during daylight hours, often maximize the value of solar because more of the generated power is consumed directly. Homes with electrical vehicles, pool pumps, electrical water heaters, or expensive air conditioners usage may benefit particularly well from solar installations because their electricity electricity consumptions tend to be higher. And some people worry about the solar panels require expensive maintenance. And in reality, maintenance costs are generally low. Solar panels have no moving parts, and most systems require little more than occasional inspection and periodic cleaning if dirt, pollen, or debris accumulates. And in many regions, rainfall handles much of the cleaning naturally. Lower maintenance costs contributes positively to long-term savings calculations. So let's talk about the realistic range. Across much of the United States, homeowners often see solar payback periods ranging from 6 to 12 years. In some exceptionally favorable situations can produce payback periods closer to 5 years. Less favorable conditions may push that timeline beyond 12 years. Factors such as local utility rates, the incentives, the sunlight exposure, installation costs, and energy usage all combine to determine where a specific property can fall within the rat range. And one thing many people overlook is rising electricity prices. Utility rates rarely stay flat forever. Historically, electric costs tend to increase over time. If rates rise after you install solar, your savings may increase as well because every kilowatt hour your panel generates offsets electricity that has become more expensive. And in some cases, actual payback periods end up shorter than original estimations because utility prices they climb faster than expected. Financing can complicate the picture slightly too. If you purchase the system outright with cash, calculating payback is relatively straightforward. When you use a loan, monthly payments must be considered. However, many homeowners find that their loan payment is comparable or to lower to the utility savings generated by the system. And, excuse me. And the economics depend heavily on loan terms, interest rates, and system performance and projections. And another important consideration is your home value. Excuse me. Multiple studies have suggested that homes with own solar systems often sell for more than compared homes without solar. And while increased home value shouldn't be the sole reason to install solar, it can improve the overall financial picture and help offset the installation costs if you eventually sell the property. So, how fast does solar pay for itself? Many homeowners, somewhere between 6 to 12 years is a reasonable expectation. And after that point, the system may continue generating substantial savings for another decade or two, even. The exact timeline depends on installation costs, the incentives, the utility rates, the sunlight exposure, the roof conditions, energy consumption, and local policy. The key takeaway is simple. Solar isn't just about producing clean energy, it's about converting a monthly expense into a long term investment. Every electricity bill you avoid brings you closer to breaking even, and once you cross that line, the savings can continue for years. And before making a decision, get multiple quotes. Compare production estimates carefully, understand your local incentives, and calculate your own projected payback period. The numbers may surprise you, and for many homeowners, they've revealed that solar pays for itself faster than expected. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found value in today's video, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. We're looking to grow this channel. Without you, we can't do that. Love to see you on the next one. There's going to be another one tomorrow. We'll see you then. Have a good day.